Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 Grady-White 325 Freedom. If you notice on the outside of the boat, we did option it with celestial blue. We did the matching underside of the hardtop as well. This boat is 33 feet 1 inch long to this swim platform right here. It's got the standard power of 300 horsepower Yamahas on the back of it with digital throttle and shift and steering. So let's go ahead and jump up in here and show you guys some more about it. All right, guys, so we're inside the 325 Freedom by Grady-White. One of the first things I want to point out is the port dive door over here. We do have a live well back here and a nice fish box. Flip-up seat right here gives you additional seating. This boat is a 10-foot 9-inch beam on it, so it's a beamy boat. I challenge you guys to find a beamier one. We have the loungers on both sides right here. Moving up front, we have the dual companion seat right here, which does go forward and backwards with just a push of a button. Digital throttle, like I was saying earlier. We have a tilt steering wheel, a nice large electronics flat box area. I believe you can put up to a 22-inch display in here. I think that's what I put on my last one. One of the notable things about this boat is the full-length hardtop. You have the opening window right there to let the breeze in. You have a vent up here if you need to get up there and raise your VHF antenna or your anchor light. But overall, this boat's awesome. Let's check this out. This is the head compartment. Got all the cushions in there. And on this side, so we optioned this boat with the generator and air conditioner. So this is going to be air conditioned in there. So you have a nice little sleeping area. Let the kids get out of the elements and whatnot. So besides that, you do have a vent right here. Up front, we have all the seating area up there with a filler cushion and removable casting platform insert. But you guys, this is one of my favorite boats. You need to come check it out and see it in person to see what it's all about. Then take it out for a ride to really fall in love with the Grady-White, the hull design and all that good stuff. So again, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Call me if you have any questions. My number is 936-223-6770. Thank you.